If you brush a line to the sky, paint a picture in your mind, together we face toward the sun, like a forest we stand. If we can be